Hello everyone and welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. It's the festive season and there's a lot of cooking and baking happening in everybody's house. Now let's take the analogy of baking. For baking, we need majorly three ingredients, that is flour, sugar and some kind of fat, that is oil or butter. And now let's take it to management of arthritis. We need a balance of three things, that is managing your rest, managing your physical activity and managing your inflammation. Now if we take these three ingredients of your cake and you just randomly mix it up, you might not necessarily get a perfect cake. Sometimes it also turns out hard. But if you mix it in the right proportion at the right time, invariably you will end up with a nice fluffy cake. Same thing is about the management of arthritis. There's a natural tendency to sometimes rest too much or to do too less of physical activity or not have your nutrition managed or your painkillers managed properly so that it gives you optimal pain relief. Once you have a balance of all these physical activity, your rest and your nutrition, invariably you can lead a very productive lifestyle even though you have arthritis. So make sure you create a balance in these three ingredients so that you have a healthy lifestyle.